Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for coming in our presentation today. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Augie Alfarzi Hakim and my partner
Muhammad Rehanal Hakim, and then
Alifah Mahrizanti, and then
Istiarianti, and then
Faiza Wikrantika, and last
Putri Adintia.
Okay, in this presentation, we will discuss about the effectiveness of KAI public relation communication in responding to passenger complaints on social media. Our first slide will explain by Istiarianti.
Okay, abstract. This study examines the effectiveness of KAI's public relation communication is responding to passenger complaint on social media. PT Kereta Api Indonesia is a state-owned enterprise that provides, regulates, and manages rail transportation service in Indonesia. The main requirement for effective communication is the character and personal integrity of the person who convey the message. According to Convey to Build, effective communication required 5 important basics, namely the effort neutrally understand the other person, the ability to fulfill commitment, the ability to explain expectation, the willingness to sincerely apologize if you make a mistake, and the ability to show integrity. This study used a quantitative approach, which is an approach used to examine a particular population or sample. The type of research used in this study is a comparative population research, and samples were taken using a questionnaire as a data collection tool. Questionnaires were distributed only to respondents, namely KAI passenger on Instagram or Twitter. A total of 250 responders from Instagram and Twitter filled out the questionnaires completely. The age of the respondent ranged from 18 to 65 years. The result of this study can be conclude that the existence of social media has a tremendous impact. Social media has changed the way people communicate, and PR KAI is very effective in responding to passenger complaints. Literature review. Two-way symmetrical model. Two-way symmetrical model use communication technique to solve or avoid conflict and improve public understanding strategically. This model can be accepted and considered more ethical in delivering message or information through communication technique that can persuade communication to build mutual understanding and trust between the two parties, so that is mutual beneficial for both parties as well. The main concept that underlies the use of this model is that the company does not require change in attitudes and value or certain action, but duty and obligation. The two each symmetrical model aims to build mutual understanding between the company and the community. Okay, next, Rizka.
Okay, communication effectiveness, communication skills are the determining factor for the success of every individual or organization to survive in today's highly competitive business competition. Seeing the importance of communication in the company, the effectiveness of communication will greatly determine the success of the company, both in the short and long term. Communication is the most important skill in the life of every human being and company. Stephen Covey liked communication to the breadth of human life. He focused on the concept of interdependence to expand human relationship. An important factor in communication is not just what someone writes or says, but rather a person's character and how someone can convey a message to the recipient of the message. Based on the previous discussion, it can be concluded that the main requirement for effective communication is the personal character and integrity that convey the message. According to Covey, to build effective communication requires 5 important basics, namely the effort to truly understand the other person, the ability to fulfill commitments, the ability to expand expectation, the willingness to sincerely apologize if you make a mistake, and the ability to show integrity. To create effective communication, a communicator must be able to identify the target who is the recipient of the message, determine the purpose of communication, design the message, choose the media, choose the source of the message, and collect feedback. And what needs to be done in developing an effective communication is to collect feedback, which aims to evaluate the success of delivering information to the recipient of the information. Next. Public relation. Public relation is the process of interaction between companies and the community in creating public opinion, instilling understanding, providing perceptions, for fostering motivation, and creating public participation. Another definition of public relations is an effort that is carried out continuously and intentionally to build and maintain mutual understanding between the company and the community. According to Coulson Thomas, public relation is a planned process or activity that has the aim of establishing communication between the company and parties outside the company. Outsiders are people who have a relationship with the company. And according to Marston, public relation is planned by using persuasive communication with the aim of influencing public perception. So it can be concluded public relation is a liaison between companies and the community so that it can be referred to as public relation, which stand for public relation. Public relation has a goal of mutual benefit, installing goodwill, understanding, and trust for each other so that a good image of the public appears toward the organization.
The study uses a quantitative approach, which is an approach used to examine a particular population or sample. According to V. Ratna Sujawarni, quantitative research is a type of research that produces findings obtained using statistical procedures. Data were collected using research instruments, statistical data analysis with the aim of testing the established hypothesis. The type of research used in this research is descriptive and uses a survey method by distributing questionnaires. Descriptive research is used to determine the value of each variable, either one or more variables, to get an overview of this variable. By using this descriptive method, the researcher intends to determine the effectiveness of public relation communication in responding to complaints from KAI passengers on social media. Data were collected to 5 Likert scale by completing a questionnaire to be filled out by responders. Next. Participants, the population and sample were taken using a questionnaire as a data collection tool. Questionnaires were distributed online to respondents, namely KAI passengers who use social media. A total of 250 respondents filled out the questionnaire completely. The age of the respondent ranged from 80 to 65 years old. More female respondents filled out this questionnaire than men. 64% of respondents are filled by women and 34% are filled by men. More than 95% of respondents use social media and spend 28.50 minutes a day Assessing social media. Next. Conceptual framework. There are passenger questions, passenger complaints, and latest information. If KAI's public relation communication is effective, it will cause passenger satisfaction, good service, and KAI's reputation increase. Next. This is the questionnaire. The first indicator is service. The second indicator is information media.
And the result, based on data that has been taken using a questionnaire as a data collection tool, questionnaires were distributed online to respondents, namely KAI passengers who use social media. A total of 2,050 respondents fill out the questionnaires completely. The age of the respondents 18 to 65 years. More female respondents fill out the questionnaire than men. 4% of respondents are by women, 40% are filled by men. More than 95% of respondents use media and spend 28.50 minutes a day using social media. Data were collected through a 5-Likert scale by completing a questionnaire to be filled out by the respondent. The assessment component was chosen as a reference in determining the level of service satisfaction carried out by PT KAI. The following is a recapitulation of respondent responses obtained based on the questionnaire. Next. In general, customer satisfaction on the performance of PT KAI is at a safe level, which is marked by a dominating agree response. This indicates that the company has succeeded in just meeting the needs of customers who use rail service and has not yet fulfilled customer desires to the fullest. The data above also shows that KAI social media is sufficient to provide information to KAI passengers, and passengers also feel served in terms of service and complaints through KAI social media.
This study found that various media were involved in the effectiveness of KAI public relation communication in responding to passenger complaint on social media. Social media is one of the platforms as to socialize, communicate, find, and disseminate information online without any limitation of space and time. Social media is the most popular and widely as nowadays. In addition to having no boundaries, it also greatly facilitates people activities. The positive impact of social media are numerous, such as a means of finding information, selling, seeking relationship, expressing opinion, and aspiration, and so on. Like with the negative impact of social media is also no less because the absence of space and time limit on social media can cause addiction, forgetting of time, and outage. Many people blame using social media for cyberbullying, information leaks, hacker, and more.
Conclusion. Based on the result of the research above, it can be concluded that the existence of social media has a tremendous impact. Social media has changed the way people communicate. Social media can have both positive and negative effects. Based on the report and research, essential insight into internet, social media, mobile, and e-commerce use around the world on January 30, 218. The total population of Indonesia was 265.4 million people. Active social media users reached 180 million with a penetration of 49%. The data shows that Indonesian people like to look expressive in cyberspace. Next suggestion for this research, because social media is public space to express and give opinions, so that PT KAI public relations must be smarter in making strategies to respond to passengers' complaints, both positive and negative. Finish.
That's all our presentation. Thank you for all who have listened. Sorry if there are mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.